I wanted to share an example of the jamming that is currently happening on the 40-meter band. I will put a link in the description to an interview with Alex, W7HU, for more information on what is happening in Cuba. I encourage you to watch it. And now what I'm hearing in North Carolina.